A girl sits outside and eats a small red fruit. Then a field with many red fruits that are on the ground. A person is picking fruits from the ground. Next, a snowy scene. A woman walks through the snow to pick yellow apples. She picks an apple and cuts a piece out of it. Then she cuts the apple in half. Then the girl in a different outfit is reaching for a vine with a small red fruit. The camera shows the green leafy ground. The girl reaches into the greenery. Then the girl eats the small red fruit. A man eats a dark round fruit from a tree. He cuts into the fruit with a knife, takes it apart and shows it.